Okay, so today I have an unboxing from Studley Flower Gardens. It's an online place where you can order bare root. Let's see what comes in the package. Invoice. This right here is a tricolor wandering Jew. These are wrapped really well. Okay. And this plant was only $4.95. Then I also got the peperomia package, which comes with 3 plants for like $13 and change. Oh, this one is so pretty. Take a look at that. And this peperomia came with no damage. This was shipped to New York from Rochester, NH. So wherever NH is, that's where it was shipped from. I'm not sure which state it's at. These are really huge. This next one is also a peperomia. So these are packed in like breather bags. They have like little small breathing holes throughout the bag, which is really, really good. This one looks absolutely beautiful. Just one leaf is damaged, but being shipped in the wintertime from a few states away, this is like perfect condition. And the last plant, which is also a peperomia. This one looks kind of silver. You guys can see it. So all 3 of these peperomias were $13 in a peperomia package, which they have. And this tricolor wandering Jew was $4.95 on their website. So for all 4 plants, I paid $30. That's with the shipping. So this place has excellent shipping. It's quick. I ordered on Sunday and I received my package today, which is Wednesday. Again, the place is called Studley's, Studleys. You can find this online. I'm very satisfied with these plants, and the pricing and the shipping was super, super cheap. So, thank you for watching my video.